I couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex, but the voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You looking cute, asking me.
Is there somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
Oh, I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, you ain't in Kansas either.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
Oh, I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink you straight.
Oh, your branches do look dry, poor
Don't
thing.
need no glass or no wine.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no twist of lime. For my supper time. Ooh, relax. Relax, sweetheart. It'll be easier. Come and join your dentist friend and Mushnik. They're right inside. Yeah.
Tui! No! Get off of her! Get off of her, Tui! Audrey! Audrey! What are you doing? Audrey, are you alright?
Yeah. No.
Don't die, Audrey. I need you. Please, please don't die.
You know, the plant just said the strangest thing just now. It said that Orrin and Mr. Mushnik were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so that you can live to do all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me. You'll see me bud and bloom. I'm feeling strangely happy